Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe my channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to go about writing an informal letter. Before we discuss this question, let's refresh few points to remember. The first and foremost thing you should remember is that you shouldn't spend more than 20 minutes for completing an entire letter writing. The word limit is, they say, around 150 words in the question paper, but you cannot go up to 180 words. Do not go beyond that or even write less than 150 words. The next thing which you should be conscious about is the evaluation criteria. There are four evaluation criteria which we have. The first one is task achievement or the task response. Under task achievement, they just see if you have understood the question correctly and if the answer returned is to the question. The second component of evaluation is coherence and cohesion. This evaluates if you have arranged your points in a proper logical order and if the answers are written in proper paragraphs. The third factor for evaluation is lexical resources. It is nothing but the vocabulary which you use to write. They will see to that if there are no repetitions of the same words very often, and also is the words which you have used are related to the given topic. Finally, the last evaluation criteria is the grammatical range and accuracy. As the word accuracy says, it is expected that you frame your sentences without any grammatical errors in the structure of your sentence. And the grammatical range is nothing but you must try using different grammatical structures like reported speech, active voice, simple sentences, and complex sentences. Now, let's move on to the question. You recently went to a public event, for example, an exhibition, festival, or it could be just a show that you think your friend would enjoy. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, tell your friend what the event was, explain why you think your friend would like the event, invite them to come to the event with you. Always, we must first spend some quality time for the rough draft. So, we shall start off with a rough draft. The letter has 7 components which are mandatory. Salutation, opening statement, addressing bullet points 1, 2, and 3, closing statement, and the sign off. Since this is an informal letter, we will have to address the receiver as dear and your friend's name. Just the first name or even his or her pet name is fine. Again, since this is an informal letter, we can start off with the letter by greeting your friend and then additionally give the reason for writing the letter. There are 3 bullet points given to us in the question. We must utilize one whole paragraph to address one bullet point. The first bullet point states that tell your friend what the event was. So, I like to give details about the event which I had attended, like what was the event, where was it held, how long is the event going to be held, and then moving forward to the second bullet point, it states that explain why you think your friend would like the event. So, I'm going to mention that since my friend is a fashion designer and also she likes to try out different types of jewelry, she must definitely visit that event. Finally, we will have to address the third bullet point, that is, invite them to come to the event with you. So, I'm going to inform her that I couldn't purchase anything the other day, so accompany me and also ask her to confirm when we can visit the exhibition. The next component is the closing statement. We must close the letter on a positive note. The last component of the letter is the sign off. Since this is an informal letter, we can sign off by saying with love or even just regards. And you can mention your first name or even your pet name since this is an informal letter. Now let's develop these hints into a proper letter. Dear Susan, hope you're doing good. It's been a very long time that we have written to each other. I'm writing this time with a lot of excitement as I'm going to tell you something which both of us would enjoy. First of all, I want to share the experience of a jewelry exhibition which the government of Tamil Nadu is conducting at the island grounds. There are almost 200 shops. It started on the 1st of this month and is closing at the end of this month. Once I had a look at the displays, I was reminded of you because of the passion you have towards dressing up yourself with jewelry matching to your attire. Since you are a fashion designer by profession, this exhibition will definitely be of utmost help for you. The other day, when I had been there, I was not able to purchase anything as I didn't carry enough money with me, as I was not sure if they were for sales. I wish you to accompany me on the coming Sunday, hoping for your confirmation of the same. I cannot wait to meet you. With lots of love, Jenny. Hope the video was informative. And if you like the video, please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel without fail. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.